Hey guys, today I'm going to take you to the biggest electronic market in Asia. It's called Huaqiangbei. It's in the heart of Shenzhen. And today we're going to have a look at you can find literally anything electronic, anything, whatever is powered, whatever is an accessory, whatever you need, you can find that. There are lots of distributors and resellers from factories where you can buy stuff for ridiculously cheap money. Also, I'm here on my personal gym because my computer screen is broken, and I went to the Apple store and they said it costs about $500–600 to replace it. I need to give up my computer for a week. So we thought, why not take the advantage of it when we're in China? So we went here. We're gonna have my computer fixed just here. They're just gonna fix it. We're gonna show you how they do it, and then that's all good. And let me show you guys around.
This is the electronic market, the whole one. So here we are. This is the hotel. And this is all the electronic market.
We're here underground.
Yeah. So this is the Women World building. This is the main street. This is the Women World building, and then there is also Children World here as well. And this is mostly like a mobile phone accessories, phone cover, protection, and everything. And the left side, this big one, it will be like the behind. This will be like a computer, camera, something like a main one. The main electronic market is here, but this is like many distributor, and they do like.
And now they're
retail.
transforming, starting from this building, they're transforming building by building into the wholesale for cosmetics. Starting with the Lincoln.
Wow. What is it?
Hello, lady guys. Look at you.
Yeah, we're handicapped, sorry.
I have a camera. My default excuse from now on.
When the guy is coming here, the guys like to come here because of all the electronics, right? It's like a little playground. And then everyone brings the family, brings the wife, brings the kids. So what you do as a guy, if you come in, you're just interested in electronics, is you also have a children's world, and you have a place for cosmetics. So there's a whole building just with cosmetics. So where you can say, okay, here's the credit card, here's whatever, there's the whole thing. And then for the kid, you have a whole building where you have entertainment for kids, where people that take care of it, so you don't need to worry about that. Like I said, huge buildings just for that. Very first now, guys, we're going to fix the computers. We're already in the main building, and then once we're out of here, we're gonna have a look around. We're actually gonna buy some gear for our own stuff and have a look.
Yes.
Show you all the other things as well.
可能没错，因为现在工厂那边现在出货出不来，对。那什么时候才有啊？
What we're doing is they need to change the whole screen for my computer, and basically this guy is just now checking if they have stock, and if they have, then they come from somewhere in the building and bring it down, and then he's going to do the fixing. So if they have it available, then in an hour or two we can come back and we pick up the all new, hopefully working well screen.
Original screen, but when she said original, it's true.
Yeah, I know.
She will not lie.
Apple gave me 4,000.
Yeah.
How much do they give you?
4,000。
你问他用不用那个？
因为意大利客这样给他去苹果店是
我知道
4000，
苹果店是不包含这个壳一起的，
哦
它只是换屏幕。
哦，
但是你跟他说，如果他可以等啊，可以等机器留下来，大概3700那样子就可以换好，因为我们是房产就便宜。对，他现在换的是整个集成换。对。
She said it's the board also on the screen, and then if you don't need to get it today, it's 3,700. If you don't need to get it today.
Get it when?
要的东西。
如果说那个房产的话，要1周，最快1周。
1周，
最快1周。
1 week. What is the Apple shop tell you?
苹果店也是要留下来的。苹果店应该
Then do
是
you
2
need to
周。
leave it there?
Yes.
So if you want to take in 2 hours, then it's 4,800 something like that.
Yeah, then I will take it back first. Then I will fix it another time. So basically what they're saying is they have two options. They can either take, exchange the inside, or exchange the whole panel, the whole thing. If they want to exchange the whole thing though, and they want to do it quickly, then it's about $1,000. And if they want to do it, if they can keep it here, and they have their time to do it, and they change just certain parts of it, then it's about $500. Because now I need it. So we finished negotiating it down, and we have 4,500 RMB, which is about $600. And but she's still going to do it in an hour. So we went down from like 1,000 to 600.
Yo, that's not bad.
This is just how things work, and there's no you need to negotiate in China. Like there's no hard feelings of it. Like it's just how the real world works, right? It's just they put the price high. Anyway up front, right? So don't ever feel bad to negotiate. It's just a part of it. you need to negotiate about it. And then if you don't need the receipt and everything, then you can drop it even a little bit more. So if you come here to buy some things, and you know, there are little tricks you can do. But when you come here and if you have time and if you actually come to China, just let us know and we come with you and then we do that for you. So this is basically how we just paid. So I scanned this code here, if you can see it. So I just we pay with WeChat, right? So I scan this code and I can transfer the money directly from my bank and just send it over with WeChat. And this is how we pay everything here. So there's no cash, no nothing like that. And we just switch it over. Now she got the money. Now we leave the computer here. We wait about an hour or two, walk around, buy some other stuff, and then we come back and pick it up. So guys, we're basically just buying stuff for you because we're buying camera equipment, we're buying film equipment, we're buying lights, we're buying all of that. We have big plans. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because we're going to launch a new podcast. We have a new recording studio, actually 2 new recording studios that we're putting together at this moment to get the quality up for you a little bit and to get you more content that we do every day. So make sure that you subscribe, and we have anything related to sourcing, anything related e-commerce, anything related how you actually turn Facebook ads into money and all of this kind of stuff. So make sure you stay with us. Again, we need to negotiate, but it's like a heaven here. They have everything we need basically, so now we just need to come to terms. Yes, this rail is it.
Oh, okay.
So we can hook it on that.
Yeah, you beat me.
Do you have the picture of this?
Of the hig,
I
yeah.
don't have it.
Okay, then we just take that part. 450.
That's it for that? That's 450? Wow.
Just take it now, right?
Yeah, it's right there.
这个不用写单。
It'll fit in his camera bag. Or you know, I could take it home. I mean, if you can't fit in your bag, I'm just saying I have a bag of my own.
So we were just buying all this camera gear, all the stuff that we need for the new studios. We have one YouTube studio, one thing where we start a new podcast. Make sure to subscribe to that because the podcast is going to be awesome. We have so many guests already lined up. It's more of an entrepreneurial thing. And so basically the guy is just checking with the factory, and it's like a little playground here. So we buy all the equipment, all the stuff on site, and then he's going to ship everything to the office. And then next time in one of the next videos you're going to see you know, how we put everything up once it's done. We're going to do like an office tour and show you around once everything's set up. So we just bought all the equipment, we bought everything we need. Like I said, we have another video for that coming, but we bought all the equipment, everything in one store, in one shop. We negotiated a little bit. It took about, I don't know, almost 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
To get this all done, but we're done. So now next we're just picking up the computers, and then we can go. If you look around, it's quite empty here. Like there's almost no one here. And this is not usual. Like before COVID, it was so crowded to move around here, and so now it's actually nice. It's not nice for the sellers, obviously, but it is nice for just if you want to have a look. I cannot stress enough how bad you guys need to be here. It is amazing. So we just pick up the computer. Everything is shining again, so they changed the whole screen, and now we're good to go. So everything's fixed.
2 hours.
Yeah, within 2 hours they fixed the thing up. Not like lazy Apple that want to take a week. And now we got everything done, and we're good to go home. Finally, that's it.
Yeah. I got a camera.
Look at you.
Amazing.
Yeah, your camera is so heavy.
Hey, I got a camera. Oh, come on. Okay. Still filming. Professional. Professional now.
So this concludes our Huaqiangbei tour. This is the biggest area. Unfortunately, we can't show you everything. We will be here for weeks. Like I say, if the pandemic, if everything goes back to normal, come here, have a look. If you need us to buy anything for you, also let us know. There are links in the comments. There's a description. There are links to a coaching program. There are links to a sourcing service. There are links to my email. We can do any of the sourcing stuff for you. We're on the ground. We don't usually go to those shops every day. We usually focus on buying directly from manufacturers so that we can have the best price possible. Same like these guys. All of these guys are buying from the manufacturers. That's what we do, but we offer it directly to you. You don't need to actually come here. But if you do have the chance to come here, it's amazing. That concludes our tour for today. I'll catch you in tomorrow's video, so make sure to check out all the links, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you then. Have a good one. Cheers.
Hey, we did it!